What's up, you all? Welcome back. So today we are here to talk about my braids. They are the knotless braids. I actually did them like 2 weeks ago, and I'm just getting around to filming the video of the braids. So I'm going to just start off by giving you all just a little bit of detail about these knotless braids that I really like them. They're so lightweight and easy to move around, so free flowing. So about the knotless braids, about the hair I use, I used the brand X-Pression, this regular X-Pression braid hair. You can see it, and it came in 3 in a pack, so it was like a bundle set, and I used 1.5 packs of these. I'm going to link the hair down below, also in the description box. I also used some Shine and Jam on my hair as well. Oh yeah, I also used the Shea Moisture Twist and Rock, and I used all of that. So you may want to get a bigger bottle of this if you have thick hair, because I used it's empty. Start sectioning your hair and making sure that you have sections, like little small sections. That's going to save you a lot of time when it's time for you to start doing your hair, because you're going to really, the technique is feeding the hair in.